Hey, today I'm going to make baked drumsticks. I'm going to make some fried corn cakes and some string beans. Let's get started. So here I have a few, I think it's six small drumsticks that I'm going to season up. First I'm going to add some oil. I'm going to put my seasonings on. This is paprika. Some onion powder. That's granulated. Some garlic powder. I like garlic. Some salt. And pepper, of course. You know, I put pepper on a lot of the things that I cook. Of course, I love pepper. And I'm just going to mix it. And I have the small oven on again. It's, it's, more than a toaster oven. It's a little rotisserie oven. I have it on like 375. I'm going to cook it in there to keep from heating the house up. Add some more onion powder, some more of everything except for salt. I'm going to have to wash these off my hands. That's the chicken. I'm not going to shake that off. There you go. That should do it. Clean all of that off. Cross-contamination, but I'll clean it up. I do it all the time. I'm going to wash my hands off. And I have my pan ready. I'll be right there. I've oiled the bottom of it a little bit. I'm going to let this cook until I like it until it like almost falls off the bone. That's probably going to take a while, about an hour or so. And into the oven we're going. For my corn cakes, I'll be using a can of corn. If you use the corn on the cob, a couple of those, and scrape those off, it'll be much better. But this is good as well. I'm using what I have. And about a teaspoon or so of sugar, about a half a cup of flour. I have 1 egg, salt and pepper, and I have about a half a cup of milk. So we're going to add our corn in. Let's get those out of there. Come on out of there. And I'm going to add some flour in. I'm just going to do some right now. And I'm going to beat my egg, as you can see. I'm going to pour that in. Sugar. Pepper. And some salt. Not much. That's pepper that you see in there. I'll stir this around. This doesn't take very long at all. And I still have my butter. I melted my butter. Sorry. Gonna add in some more flour. And I have 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm sorry, I should have showed you that. 2 tablespoons of butter. I had it melting and didn't have it up for show. But there you have it. And it depends on you. The thickness. I like mine thinned out a little bit. Flour. I'm going to add some butter into there. All of it, because we want it to taste good. Add some more flour. I think that's about the texture that I like. If you want it to be thicker, then you can add less milk and less butter, and that'll make it thicker for you. Okay, I've added some oil to my pan. I'm going to add a little bit in to check it and see if it's hot enough. Just a little bit more. I'm going to add some in. I added vegetable oil in case I didn't tell you. I think we're going to get 4 in here. Let's see. Barely. I'm going to cook these until they brown on one side, and then we're going to flip them over. Yeah, they're browning pretty quickly. That's been about a minute and a half or 2. Looking good. My chicken is baking, and I have my string beans cooking. They're out of the can too today. I'm just trying to get it done today. I didn't go out to the store, so I didn't have any fresh green beans, and I didn't have any fresh corn, but like I said, this works just as well. Check this side. Looking good. I want them to cook a little more though. Turn your pan down to about medium low. You kind of check them with your finger, and if they bounce back, see how they bounce right back? Then you know that they're good. So we're going to take these out and put them on a paper towel to drain some. And you may have to, and you may or may not have to add a little more oil in between each batch. You don't want it to be too oily. So see here, I'm just going to add a little bit more. cook these. Should only be a couple more. It's only the two of us. I still cook too much. Probably should have used a half can or something, but they'll get eaten. I made about 8. That wasn't so bad. I'm still learning how not to cook so much. And I'm learning. It takes time. Meanwhile, on the other side of the kitchen, my little drumsticks are doing pretty well in the little oven, the little rotisserie oven. I'm going to turn them over and let them continue to do their thing. I have to hurry up. I have my corn frying over there also. Oh yeah. Make sure they're apart so they can not steam but cook. Well, the chicken is ready. The string beans. Let's get this chicken up. Ooh wait. Let's plate it up. There you have it. I just wanted you to see and they are delicious, trust me. The chicken is good, the string beans are delicious, and there you have it. Baked chicken, fried corn cakes, and green beans. Hey, thanks for hanging out with me. I really enjoyed your company. And remember to pray. Then pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for you, pray for them. Pray for us. Don't stop praying. And please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Like, subscribe, share. I would greatly appreciate it. And until next time, be well. Later.